Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to compare the new SG2 versus Zeblaze Crystal 2 that we saw before in our channel. Let's go ahead, see what we got in these, and we are going to compare the tests and other things. The SG2 smartwatch has a full rounded touchscreen with 1.19-inch AMOLED and a good resolution. We have wireless charging and we have IP68 waterproof, app dial push, dial long bright, Bluetooth 5.1, and we have heart rate, blood pressure, heart pressure, stopwatch, music control, remote take, and also we have the ACG, which is a benefit in the SG2 because none other smartwatches have this. So these are just a few specs about the SG2. Zeblaze Crystal 2 has 1.29-inch Gorilla Glass screen. After you connect the Zeblaze with your phone, the watch will track your location, and this smartwatch has different sport and health caring options that we will try in this video. So these are the specs of the Crystal 2, so let's go ahead and see what we got more. Let's see now what we have in the software of the SG2. As you can see in the first page, we have this beautiful face. In the upper part we have battery and QR code. Left we have notification. Bottom we have the weather. You can see we can enter the steps from the right. We have here the sleep monitoring. Next we have heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, and the ACG, which we will try later. We have here the menu. As you can see, we have running, and we have other options for sports. We have the history. When you press, as you can see, it immediately begins the sport. We have the music control, and we have here the options of the menu. As you can see, we have find phone, we have alarm clock, and other things like this. Let's begin here with the Crystal 2 now. Let's see, as you can see in the first page, we have the time, date, percentage of battery, and we have next steps, calories, kilometer, heart rate, sleeping, read, new messages, and sport. In sport here, press and hold to access. We have run, walk, climbing, cycling. We have table tennis, basketball, badminton, football, and that's it. You can see we have plenty of options. We have here the things in the menu, and this is it. Let's begin here some tests, starting from the SG2. We have here the history, as I said. Heart rate, the first option. Let's see how fast it measures our heart rate. As you can see, the first results are here. Not so fast, but again not so slow as well. We can complain for the speed, it's normal, and honestly the SG2 works pretty good. The screen is very good, as I mentioned in the beginning. It's AMOLED and the colors are just right. So you can see now the heart rate is still measuring, which means we have a good result. You can see 75 is normal for a human heart rate. And now we have here the blood pressure. Let's see how fast it measures this. And we have the first result. Honestly, this took a little bit longer than I expected, but again, we can't complain. We have now here the blood oxygen, the percentage of blood oxygen. You can see at the bottom we have the history and 3 of these options, and we have the ECG after this. As you can see, we have the first result here, 97%, and this is a good result. Also, you saw the screen timeout, it's not so late, so you can see it's very good. The SG2 is a good smartwatch to own. We have here the ACG now. This is an option that not all the smartwatches have. We have just a few smartwatches in our hand that we have ACG on them. This is the first result, as you can see, pretty fast and pretty good. Honestly, I'm impressed from the SG2 software and options, how fast they work and how good they work. Now let's test the Crystal 2. As you can see, we have here the heart rate first option. Let's see how fast it measures our heart rate, and let's see the difference between the SG2 and the Crystal 2 from Zeblaze. As you can see, we have the result immediately, very fast and very good from the Zeblaze. Let's try one of the sports. The first one is running, and as you can see, it goes, you can see the seconds going, heart rate at the top and steps at the bottom, and these are the three things that we can see in the sport. Not so good. Usually in sport you have to have more information about yourself. So this is what we have in the Zeblaze and the SG2. These are the tests, and this is it for today's guys. Thank you very much for your time and support. If you find this video interesting and helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smart device.